The BN-Link 4-outlet wall tap with USB charging ports is simple and easy to use. The wall tap has one standard US grounded outlet, 3 other US outlets, 2 USB-A ports, and 1 USB-C port. All outlets and ports can be used at the same time. The small size of the wall tap makes it perfect for travel. Do not use in an outlet that is not grounded, and use only with a 125-volt AC power source. Do not exceed 1,875 watts or 15 amps. Do not use outdoors or anywhere the outlet could get wet. For further information, check out the included guide. Thanks for choosing BN-Link.